don't think they'd have a fist fight, do you?
No. So here's my...
Just gun jams or something?
Yeah. Gun jam would be good. Here's what I think on some of this. I'm going to say we know the concept of this scene. We're going to have to rework this one.
Oh, yeah. It's long.
It's long. We can rework it. I think it might be...
Well, it's a lot of fight. Let's give a little fight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kicks the sheriff off the porch and onto the ground. Cut that.
I definitely think we should still kill him with the shovel. You know. That's a
Yeah.
good idea.
Yeah, but Harold gets shot. So we got to do something about Harold not getting shot.
Yeah. So Harold does not get shot.
How about...
Unless we shoot him in the leg. We can shoot him in the leg.
I was watching
Raise it up here.
Raise it up here?
Yep.
Okay.
And there you go. Just practice. Practice, guys. And action.
I love that we're getting all this done without moving legs.
Like that?
All right, there, Steve.
You would have to need a string.
You alright there, buddy?
Yeah, well,
Like that. I think it actually works.
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of like the whole... You got the knife there?
I like the slide, Steve Wilson.
Steve Wilson doing his own stunt. Steve Wilson.
Speed. Gregory, I'm sorry in advance.
Scene 42, shot 3, take 1.
Okay? Go slow with it, okay?
Okay. Set.
Okay. Ready? And go. Somebody give me a towel for the camera. I don't care about me, just the camera.
Oh shit, did I get you?
You got the camera. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wouldn't be the first.
Just get the lens is all I care about.
Okay, let's get this.
Get that. It's on the lens. Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, Harold is wrapped for the knife. Good ass job, man. Really good job.